Ever feel like your own thoughts are holding you back? What if I told you there's a way to turn negativity into your greatest strength, starting today? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to break free from negative thinking and embrace positivity in your life. Your mindset shapes your life. Negative thoughts can cloud your vision and make you feel stuck, but here's the good news. You have the power to change that. Studies show we have over 6,000 thoughts daily, and many lean negative due to our brain's natural survival instincts. While this negativity bias helped our ancestors, today it often holds us back with self-doubt and fear. However, negative thoughts are not permanent, and by learning to reframe them, you can break free and start focusing on the positive. In this guide, I'll share practical strategies to identify and replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Whether it's reframing self-critical beliefs or practicing gratitude, you'll walk away equipped to transform your mindset. These proven techniques have helped countless people, including myself, and they can work for you too. So, let's dive in and take the first step toward a more positive and empowered you. Understanding negative thoughts. Let's start by understanding negative thoughts, what they are and why they happen. Negative thoughts aren't random. They come from somewhere, and most importantly, they're not permanent. To change them, you must first recognize their roots and their effects. Negative thoughts are like mental habits, those little voices in your head that criticize, worry, or doubt. They might say things like, "You'll never succeed," or "Why even try?" Sound familiar? Negative thoughts thrive on doubt and fear, often painting situations in the worst possible light. They might show up as self-criticism, like "I'm not good enough," or lead to catastrophizing, such as thinking everything will go wrong, or even overgeneralizing, as in "this one failure means I'll always fail." These thoughts can feel automatic, almost like background noise, and if we're not careful, they start shaping how we see the world and ourselves. So, why do we think negatively? Negative thinking has deep roots. Our brains are wired to focus on the negative because, in our evolutionary past, this helped us stay alert to dangers. This survival mechanism helped our ancestors avoid threats, but in today's world, it can lead to overthinking, stress, and unnecessary worry. Personal history also plays a significant role. Maybe you faced criticism, experienced failure, or went through tough times that shaped your mental patterns. Cultural and social pressures, like those from social media, can further exacerbate negative thinking by making us feel like we're falling short. Cognitive distortions, such as black and white thinking or emotional reasoning, can make these thoughts seem more extreme than they actually are. The effects of negative thinking are far-reaching. They lower your confidence and make it harder to believe in yourself. They can affect your health by contributing to chronic stress, which may lead to issues like insomnia or even heart problems. Negative thoughts can hold you back from trying new things or pursuing your goals, and they can strain relationships by making it difficult to connect with others or resolve conflict. How to spot negative thought patterns. To break free from negative thinking, the first step is to recognize when it's happening. Some clues to watch for include repetitive self-doubt, jumping to conclusions, or rumination over past mistakes. Keeping a thought journal can help you identify these patterns. Write down negative thoughts as they come up, noting what triggered them and how they made you feel. This exercise can help you gain more control over your thoughts. Breaking the cycle of negativity. Now that you know how negative thoughts manifest, it's time to take action. The good news is that negative thoughts are habits, and like any habit, they can be replaced. Start by becoming aware of your thoughts without judgment. This awareness is the first step to change. Then, challenge the thought by asking yourself, is this really true? What's the evidence? Often, you'll find that your negative thoughts aren't based on fact. Finally, reframe the thought by replacing it with a more positive or neutral one. For example, instead of thinking, "I'll never get this right," try, "I'm still learning, and that's okay." Remember, this isn't about pretending everything's perfect. It's about giving yourself a fair chance to see the positive side of things. With practice, you'll gradually reprogram your mind. Strategies to replace negative thoughts. Now that we understand where negative thoughts come from and how they affect us, let's dive into 5 practical steps to replace them with positivity. These strategies will empower you to shift your mindset and embrace a more positive outlook on life. Step 1. Embrace mindfulness. Mindfulness is the cornerstone of addressing negative thoughts. It helps you become fully present in the moment, allowing you to identify and observe your thoughts without judgment. By practicing mindfulness, you can interrupt negative patterns before they spiral out of control. Start by becoming aware of your thoughts during the day, and practice mindful breathing to calm your nervous system. Label your thoughts to create separation between yourself and the negative thought. Research shows that mindfulness reduces stress and improves emotional regulation. Step 2. Reframe negative thoughts. Reframing involves challenging your negative thoughts and altering your perspective. Negative thoughts are often distorted versions of reality, influenced by fear or past experiences. Start by identifying the negative thought, examining the evidence, and finding a more balanced perspective. For example, replace "I'll never be good at this" with "I'm learning and improving every day." Using what-if questions can help you visualize success rather than focusing on failure. Avoid using absolutes like always or never and replace them with more accurate language, such as sometimes or often. Step 3. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant. By regularly practicing gratitude, you create a ripple effect of positivity in your mindset. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each evening, or start your day by listing things you appreciate. Expressing gratitude to others also deepens your relationship. Studies have shown that gratitude rewires your brain to focus on positivity, making it easier to break free from negative thinking. Step 4. Surround yourself with positivity. The people and environments around you influence your mindset. Choose to surround yourself with supportive, uplifting people and create an environment that nurtures growth. Reflect on the relationships you have and set boundaries with those who drain your energy. Fill your home or workspace with items that inspire joy and consume uplifting content that promotes personal development. Step 5. Use affirmations to rewrite your inner narrative. Affirmations are positive statements that replace self-defeating thoughts with empowering ones. Create affirmations that are specific, personal, and focused on the present. For example, instead of "I will be confident," say, "I am confident." Repeating affirmations daily helps to rewire your brain, and practicing them in front of a mirror can reinforce their message. Writing affirmations in a journal allows you to track your progress and deepen their impact. Replacing negative thoughts with positivity is a journey, not an overnight transformation. Each step builds upon the others, creating a comprehensive framework for shifting your mindset. Consistency is key. Over time, these practices will become second nature, empowering you to approach life with confidence and optimism. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. Celebrate every small win and be patient with yourself as you grow. With dedication and practice, you'll replace negative thoughts with a mindset that fuels your success and happiness. Building a positive mindset. Replacing negative thoughts is just the first step. To truly transform your mental outlook, you need to build a positive mindset, a foundation that sustains optimism, resilience, and joy even in challenging times. A positive mindset doesn't mean ignoring difficulties or pretending everything is perfect. Instead, it's about choosing constructive responses and maintaining hope. A positive mindset is essential for navigating life's challenges, and by cultivating it, you can unlock your full potential. A positive mindset is a mental attitude that focuses on solutions, gratitude, and opportunities rather than problems or limitations. It influences your emotions, behaviors, and ultimately, the outcomes you experience. When you have a positive mindset, you're more likely to approach challenges with confidence, knowing that setbacks are just temporary obstacles to be overcome. The benefits of a positive mindset are vast. Improved resilience helps you bounce back from setbacks. Better relationships are fostered by kindness and empathy. Enhanced health comes from reduced stress and stronger immunity, and greater success arises from motivation, creativity, and perseverance, which are key to achieving your goals. The process of building a positive mindset begins with shifting your self-talk. Self-talk is the internal dialogue you have with yourself. It shapes your beliefs and influences how you perceive the world. Negative self-talk can undermine your confidence, while positive self-talk empowers you to overcome challenges. To transform your self-talk, start by becoming aware of the tone of your internal dialogue. Are you often critical or supportive? Challenge negative narratives by questioning their validity and replacing them with constructive thoughts. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "I can't do this," pause and ask, "Is this thought helping me?" Replace it with, "I can learn and improve." Practice self-compassion by treating yourself with kindness, just as you would offer a friend. Celebrate your efforts, no matter how small, as they contribute to your growth. Incorporating daily positive habits is essential to maintaining a positive mindset. Consistency is key to creating lasting change. Start your day with uplifting activities, such as stretching, journaling, or reciting affirmations, to set a positive tone for the day ahead. Make a habit of writing down 3 things you're grateful for each evening to train your mind to focus on the good. Actively seek joy by making time for activities that bring you happiness, whether it's listening to music, spending time in nature, or pursuing a hobby. Be mindful of the media, conversations, and environments you engage with, and surround yourself with those that inspire and energize you. End each day by reflecting on what went well and how you overcame challenges, reinforcing your sense of progress and self-efficacy. Optimism is a cornerstone of a positive mindset. It involves expecting good outcomes while preparing for challenges. Cultivating optimism doesn't mean ignoring difficulties. It means maintaining hope and confidence in your ability to navigate them. Foster optimism by practicing visualization. Spend a few minutes each day imagining yourself achieving your goals and thriving in your desired future. Focus on solutions when faced with problems, shifting your attention from "Why is this happening?" to "What can I do about it?" Reframe challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, and surround yourself with optimistic people who inspire and encourage you. Keep a wins journal to document your achievements, big or small, as a reminder of your progress and capabilities. Building resilience is another crucial aspect of cultivating a positive mindset. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and persevere through adversity. When combined with a positive mindset, resilience enables you to face life's challenges with courage and determination. Embrace change by viewing it as an opportunity for growth rather than a threat. Learn from failures by asking yourself, "What can I learn from this experience?" rather than dwelling on mistakes. Strengthen your support network by leaning on friends, family, or mentors during tough times. Focus on what you can control, redirecting your energy toward actions that are within your power, and practice self-care to nourish your mind and body. Building a positive mindset is a journey, not a destination. It requires intentional effort, self-reflection, and a commitment to growth. By understanding the core of positivity, shifting your self-talk, developing daily habits, fostering optimism, and strengthening your resilience, you create a solid foundation for lasting mental and emotional well-being. Remember, positivity doesn't mean ignoring challenges or denying difficult emotions. It's about choosing constructive responses, finding lessons in adversity, and focusing on what's possible. As you practice these steps, you'll notice a shift in how you approach life, leading to greater happiness, fulfillment, and success. As you continue on this path, remember that every positive thought, action, and choice contributes to a brighter future. Positivity doesn't mean denying reality. It means embracing the power you have to shape your perspective and, by extension, your life. Imagine waking up each day with a sense of purpose, approaching challenges with confidence, and ending each day with gratitude for the experiences that have shaped you. This is the life a positive mindset makes possible. It's not a distant dream, it's within your reach starting today. Now that you have the tools to replace negative thoughts and build a positive mindset, it's time to put them into action. Start small. Choose one strategy that resonates with you and commit to practicing it daily. As you see the results, incorporate more strategies and watch as your mindset transforms. Remember, the journey toward positivity is unique for everyone. Be kind to yourself, celebrate your progress, and keep moving forward. You have the power to create a life filled with joy, gratitude, and endless possibilities. Thank you for watching and being part of this incredible journey toward building a positive mindset. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with daily positivity tips and strategies to keep your mindset strong and resilient. Every day is a new opportunity to practice positivity and transform your life. Let's continue to support one another in creating a more joyful, hopeful, and empowered world. What's your next step on this journey? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And remember, every little change counts in building the life you desire. Keep moving forward with positivity, and let's embrace the incredible potential within us all.